Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. I just love cars. Part 4 to fix the Honda CRZ. Let's get straight to it. Here we are at the Honda CRZ. I like actually this thing right here. If we push sport, it goes a little bit reddish. If we go normal, it goes blue. And if we go to economy mode, it should be going green. Or maybe when you drive, it goes green. I've not really driven this car properly. I've taken it for a test drive years and years ago when it first came out, back in Portsmouth actually, out of all places, because I lived in Southampton, but I don't think they had it in Southampton at that time. So yeah, anyway, but today we're going to be concentrating obviously at the back of the car. As you can see here, still all that plastic crap, which I'm not really looking forward to put this together on that side, as you can see there. So the good news is actually I've got the brand new bumper from Honda. It arrived yesterday. They said to me when I bought it, they said it's gonna come on the 14th of October, which is literally about a month of waiting. But I had a feeling, I had a suspicious feeling that it could be there earlier. And I'm very, very happy to say that I actually, I bought it about 2 weeks ago, I believe. Yeah. So, do you know what? The wait was not that bad. Not bad at all. So, you know what? First time, thank you, Milton Keynes Johnson's Honda, for such a great job. So, yeah, thank you so much. And you know what? Now, I'm going to go and show you the tool that I got, because I still need to straighten the back out. Now the back is still not perfectly straight because the boot lid, when you close it, is still not locking into the locking position. So we're gonna have to straighten that out. We might put a new bumper on today because I still am waiting for the lower part. There's like a black lower part. I got my one, but it's really like bad condition, and I don't really want to be putting, you know, such kind of like worn out part on a brand new rear bumper. I think it's just gonna look really, really off. So I'm just gonna wait for another part to come in, and leave it in the comments below. What do you guys suggest? The new bumper from Honda, which came painted, it doesn't actually have what are they called, holes, pre-drilled holes for the parking sensors. And I'm actually thinking to not bother to drill those holes in the new bumper and put the parking sensors. What do you reckon? I think it would actually look nicer and like smoother without it. Leave it in the comments. Is it a good idea or not? So let's go outside and I'll show you the big tool that I got from my mate, that we're going to be using it to pull things out. So we're going to be using this actually like a proper tool to straighten a few things out. I'm not too happy with this bit right here. It's still pushed in. I'd like to fix this one a bit more properly, and obviously push all this out so we can close the boot normally, because at the moment it's still not allowing, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I need a little favor from the American viewers. If you could, I'd be very grateful. I need these, the mechanic gloves. Do you know what? I brought these with me from the United States when I came to UK, and I never worn them because they're just too good to be wearing them. But now I'm kind of like, I need to wear it because I want to protect my old hands, even though this is a bit tighter. I said this is size large, 10. So if somebody could send me these ones to UK, I would be very, 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 very happy. any color really. I mean, they such a cool gloves they are. So yeah, let's get on to it. We're gonna be straightening it out now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, finally it's 2:30, so in about 1.5 hours we managed to do something, which is the moment of truth. Nice. Nice. Let me do it again. Nice. Finally. So it looks like I straightened everything out as much as I could. Suppose now I gotta tackle this. The most annoying, massive plastic panel ever seen in my life. So yeah, finally it's getting there. Just got to tidy a few things up. That looks nice. The seatbelt works. Everything's great. Can't seem to find this panel. It's probably under the seat. Don't know. So yeah, tidy everything up. But unfortunately, the boot is going to be the next day. So ladies and gents, you know what? This is going to be it. Honestly, the weather's changing, and I honestly had enough. It's all these tiny little niggly bits, you know, that you got to do it. But I didn't put the bumper on today, and like I said, there's no point, because I gotta wait for this part. So this is the part I'm talking about. But look at the state of it. I mean, even the color, it's changed the color, like, you know, it's become like matte gray. I'm just gonna order a new one from Honda. Obviously it doesn't go there. It goes somewhere there. But yeah, episode 5 will be where the whole bumper is actually going on the car. So I'm happy. Let me show you again. The boot closes. Now we can obviously lock the car. Everything's there. Boom, looking good. Just needs a nice clean in and out. And yeah, thanks for watching again, and I shall see you in episode 5.